Good morning, guys. It's H-Hello. What's up, you guys? Let's go. What's fun? What you can do? Anything for fashion? Things. Well, right now, you guys, I'm just heading to work. So, guys, when I'm done work. Guys, so right now, you guys, I am going to work. I'm grabbing the service truck to go to get the person's bus. And then take the, park the service truck there. And then I'm just heading home. And then I'm taking her bus to the school, then do my route, and then take the bus back to her house. So that's what's going on. So I will talk to you guys when I am done my school route. So right now, you guys, we're again play sand. So that's what's going on, you guys. So we just got home and we again filled the sandbox up with the sand. So that's what's going on, you guys. Let's fill it up, please. Ready? Do I dump it? Dump it! Dump it!
Whoa!
Woo!
Whoa!
Woo!
Let's go get another bag. You want to help Daddy?
Park it down. Park it down, Grace. Having fun with the sand? Are you having fun with the sand? Another one?
Say dump, dump, dump.
Say dump. What are you doing?
You're making a sandcastle?
Are you making a sandcastle? The biggest sandcastle ever? Are you digging?
You fill up the yellow bucket and we could make the biggest...
Biggest sandcastle ever! So right now, you guys, we're cutting potatoes up. And then some potatoes. So that's what we're doing. Barbecue and potatoes. It's gonna look so good, you guys. Because I do. And chicken with honey mustard. We're eating outside, you guys. All of us eating outside, you guys. So that's what's going on, you guys. Is it good?
Oh my
God,
God,
is it good,
yeah.
Grace? Uh-huh. Too good? Yeah? Is it good?
I want more chicken, man.
Hey guys, glad to this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this episode, guys.